again to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a chicken adobo, but first let's make our marinade sauce for our chicken. All right, soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, brown sugar, ground black pepper, ginger, garlic. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, this is the marinade for my chicken adobo. Let me grab the chicken. Alright, so I'm using a chicken thigh. You can use any part of the chicken. So I have 10 pieces of the chicken thighs. And then I have 4 to 5 bay leaves. Just gonna scatter them. Alright, the marinade will help flavoring the meat of the chicken. Right, so you can marinate this for 4 hours or you can marinate ahead overnight. So what I'm gonna do now is cover this with a clear wrap, put it in the fridge for 4 hours, and then we'll cook after that. Alright? Alright, so after 4 hours of marinating, so here's the chicken. So I'm using a chicken thigh. You can use any part of the chicken you decide to, it's fine. Alright, so let's start cooking. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is preheating the stove to medium-high heat. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some oil, just 3 tablespoons. Because what I wanna do is I wanna brown the chicken. So when the oil is already hot, you can just put the chicken. Just be careful. So I'm putting the skin first. Alright, so I'm just gonna do it probably 5 pieces at a time. Don't overcoat it because that's gonna bring down also the temperature of the oil. Alright, so probably 1 minute each side. Alright, so I'm ready to flip over the chicken. Oh, it looks beautiful. So if you notice, I marinate my chicken adobo. The reason is because I want to make sure that all the marinade sauce that I made will flavor, all the flavor will penetrate into the meat. This is gonna be good. Alright, so my first batch is done. Put it in the other tray and so I can cook the rest. It looks beautiful. Look. Yum. I love that noise, the searing. It's like a music in my ear. So the marinade that I made, I'm gonna use this to braise and simmer my chicken. So make sure don't throw away after you are done browning the chicken. Alright, so I'm done browning the chicken. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the rest of the chicken into the pan. Make sure, let me just squeeze in. And then what I'm gonna do now is putting the marinade sauce that I use to marinate my chicken because all the flavors in here. Let me just scrape some of this garlic and ginger. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then when it's boiling, lower it down to medium heat and simmer it for 45 minutes, but you have to braise it in between time of cooking. Alright, so after 15 minutes, what I'm doing right now is I want to make sure that I'm braising the chicken to make sure all this goodness well distributed to each chicken. Let's check the chicken adobo. Ooh, you know what? It smells good. There it is. Ooh. Let me taste it, okay? Hurrah! It's really good. Yo, I can't wait to eat with lots of rice. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, so after 45 minutes, I adjust the seasoning. I did not add anything because I like the taste already. But if you want more acidity, you can add more vinegar. So what I'm doing right now, I took out the cover and just simmer it for 10 minutes uncovered, just to help thicken in the sauce from the adobo. Alright, so after 10 minutes of cooking without the cover, so here's the sauce now. It's so thick. So this is how I make my adobo because this is what my husband wants. He wants the sauce and he call it gravy. Ooh, look at that. It's so thick. I can't wait. Alright, it's time for plating. Oh my god, look at this. Chicken adobo is one of the Filipino staple food, which is very popular all over. And this can be eaten with lots of rice. I can't wait to eat. There you go. Now I need to pour this juice in there. Look at that. Oh, delicious. And just garnish some green onion, you know, add some vibrant to it. Alright, my favorite moment, testing. Ooh, here's my rice. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna have that and some of the sauce. Gonna pour in on my rice. I'm salivating already. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm drooling. Oh my god, it's so good. I can eat lots of rice on this one, especially the sauce. The sauce is so good. Oh my god. Alright guys, thank you again for watching for my YouTube channel. See you guys again next time. Let me know if you guys make this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel by clicking that subscribe button. Thank you. See you guys. I love you. Mahalo. Thank you. Gaminess. Salamat.